Consider full tub or shower system replacement when leaks or mold return despite repeated re-caulking. If you see mold returning behind caulk or water constantly pooling behind tiles, that indicates moisture is breaching the waterproofing layer and a surface fix will not hold. Start by removing a section of tile or an access panel and inspect the backside for wet sheathing, mold staining, or soft framing. Use a moisture meter to map moisture levels on studs and backer board. Sustained elevated readings mean hidden rot or mold that needs remediation. If mold is present behind the caulk, test a small sample for type and load, and remove all contaminated materials rather than just cleaning the surface. When waterproofing has failed, you should replace the entire system with a modern waterproof assembly, such as a bonded membrane with cement board or a factory acrylic surround installed with a proper flange and pan slope. Hire a contractor skilled in wet area best practices and get a clear scope that lists substrate replacement, ventilation upgrades, and new waterproofing details. Common mistakes include re-caulking repeatedly without checking behind the finish, which only delays addressing hidden rot. The fix is to open the wall or tile and inspect, then replace compromised materials. Another issue is assuming visible mold is only surface mold and using bleach, which can bleach but not remove root contamination. Instead, remove contaminated backer and framing and treat remaining surfaces with an appropriate antimicrobial after containment. A third problem is neglecting ventilation and pan slope, so new assemblies fail for the same reasons as the old one. Correct that by confirming proper shower pan slope, installing an exhaust fan that vents outdoors, and sealing all penetrations during reassembly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors who are seeking jobs related to tub and shower replacement. We connect homeowners and contractors and host a discussion community where users share experiences, ask questions, and compare approaches.